Hello everybody, I'm back again. Thought I'd do a review here of my new hobby, collecting diecast model cars. I made a couple other videos. I've got some really good cars, old Falcons, 64, 63, 63 Galaxy. Today I received 69 Camaro Z28, orange with white stripes. I untaped the box and I stopped. I said, wait a minute. Let's do an unboxing review of the diecast model from Replica Cars. R-E-P-L-I-C-A-Z. Replica Cars. I hear something rattling in there. So I untaped it, I saw this paper, and I stopped. I started my camera, and that ain't even taped shut. It's in another box. It's not even taped shut. It's been taped. It's been taped. Somebody's cut the tape loose. More paper. So here we go. 69 Camaro Z28. Wow, look at that. What do we have here? Yep, just what I thought. It is broke all to hell. Hood's off. Hood's back here. Here's the hood. Here's the door. Here's the rest. There's the steering wheel. Broke all to hell. Here's the back of the frame. There lays the door. There lays the other door. So there you have it. Unboxing review. There's part of the fender from the other side. Broke all to hell. Diecast metal. I was tracking it. It went from Knoxville to Morristown here, where I live, and then it went to Greenville. And it said miss shipped. So today it went back from Greenville back to Knoxville, and then back to here. Came in the house, I had to work, it wasn't out there. Come in the house, put my stuff away, poured a beer in the glass, walked back out, and it was on the step. So there you have it, double boxed with all that paper padding from Replica Cars. R-E-P-L-I-C-A-R-Z, Replica Cars on eBay. So, just an unboxing review of a 69 Camaro Z28, orange with white stripes, American muscles. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Yes, I'm requesting a refund or a, I've already sent him a message. I did open this, guys, and look at it. Put it back in the box to do an unboxing review. But yeah, I messaged him. Asked him to send me just some other car in the 1960s. Maybe it wasn't a true unboxing. I already knew it, but I put it back in to make this video to show you what I thought when I first opened this piece of shit. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some camping, fishing videos, cooking videos, camp cooking, something. I'll be back.